Starting an online business with 50,000 naira in Nigeria requires careful planning and a focus on a venture or a business that has low startup cost. If you want to start a business and you have up to 50,000 naira, you can actually start and grow a business in Nigeria using 50,000 naira as your startup capital. Now, if you know how to do this correctly, if you know how to manage a business properly, you can actually start with 50,000 naira and grow this business into a sustainable business that can keep bringing you money. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 6 businesses you can start with 50,000 naira in Nigeria. All right, if this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I want to welcome you to my channel. On this channel, I teach you how to do stuff online and I show you business strategies that can help you grow your business online. Okay, so if this is your first time of coming, I want you to kindly like this video and subscribe to this video and make sure you turn on the notification bell. All right, when you do that, it means that you support this channel, and whenever I post new videos, you are definitely going to be notified that I have published a video. With that said, let's go straight into the video. Let me show you 6 profitable businesses that you can start with a capital of 50,000 naira in Nigeria. Now, number 1 on our list is liquid soap production business. Okay, liquid soap production. With a small initial investment of 50,000 naira, you can produce and sell liquid soap. The materials are not expensive as you might think, and there's a high demand for affordable cleaning products in the home. Now, this is a business you can start even with lower than 50,000. You can even start this business and grow it into something that can be fetching you some good money. This is a business I've seen people doing. This is a business I've seen young girls. If you're a student, if you're a graduate and you're looking for jobs, while you're looking for jobs, you can actually invest into this business and start making money with this business. That is number 1. Number 2 is yam supply business. As rough as this might sound, as simple as this might sound, people are making millions from yam supply. You can purchase yam in bulks from farmers and supply them to urban areas or local retailers. For example, if you have people that are in the north central, okay, in the northern part of Nigeria, if you're watching this and you're a Nigerian, you have people in the northern part of Nigeria or in places like Benue State or Kano State or Kogi State, you can actually order this. All right, you can order yams in cheaper quantity, all right, in cheaper price. You can order yam and then push it to the western part of Nigeria or to south Nigeria, and you make your money from this business. This is a very good business. You can start with 50,000 naira capital. All right, if you want to learn more about how to do this, there are people I can connect you with that you can start bringing this product to wherever you are, or sending it to wherever you are and making your money. You don't need to touch the yam yourself. You don't need to be in the farm yourself. You don't need to connect with the farmers directly. You can do this business even with your smartphone. All right, this is a business that requires minimal setup and can yield significant profit due to high demands of yam. Yam is food that a lot of people love to eat. So if you know how to get this yam from where it is produced and then push it to where people need it, people are going to definitely pay you, especially if you are in a place like Lagos in the west, like places like Ogun State, places like Ondo State. These people consume yam a lot, so you can actually push yam from the north, push yam from the north central, okay, from Kogi State, from Benue State. You can push yam to all of these places in the west and make some good money for yourself. That is number 2. Now, number 3 is POS business. This is a business that has gone viral in Nigeria. A lot of people are doing this business currently. You too can do this business. If you have a capital of 50,000 naira, you can set up a point of sale service in a busy area to offer cash withdrawal. You can even have a POS machine in your compound. If you have people if you live in a compound where people are many, where your neighbors are plenty and they are rushing to go to work in the morning and they might need cash, right, you can actually do this business. It is not necessary, you don't have to be in a place of high influx of people, or where people are moving about plenty. Even if you are in an area where you have people that need money, you can actually do this business. But the advantage is that if you are in a location where people come in and go out and there's more people, you have some advantage, all right, in this business. So this is a business that can actually bring you money. Now that's number 3. Number 4 is natural drink. Okay, natural drinks. You can start a small beverage stand selling soft drinks, water and homemade beverages. With strategic location and low overhead costs, this can quickly become profitable. Now you don't need a shop. You don't need to rent a shop to start this business. With as little as 50,000 naira, you can actually start doing this business. Now you can see the picture that I put there. That's tiger nut drink. A lot of people are consuming tiger nut drink, and it's very, very delicious, very nutritious, and very healthy for the body. So you can do tiger nut drinks, you can do zobo drinks, you can do pineapple juices, you can do different fruities, natural drinks. In fact, if you can do this and you can take it to offices, to banks, to different locations, or maybe if you have if you belong to a church, mega churches, right, you can actually make money by selling this to your church members. This is a very good business that you can do without spending much. With as low as 50,000 naira, you can start this business and grow it to something that is sustainable. Okay, that's number 4. Number 5 is chopped veggies business. Chopped vegetable. Recently I found out that a lot of people don't like to stress themselves cutting vegetables. It's stressful. Imagine when you want to cook something like salad, and then you're cutting carrots. It's stressful. All right, it's stressful. So a lot of people have discovered that it's a lot of stress to be cutting things. Okay, so now you can go into this business and offer pre-chopped vegetables to busy individuals and families who seek convenience. The business requires a small investment in fresh produce and packaging materials. All you need is to find a way to get these vegetables for cheap, and then get your packaging materials, package it, take it to people that need it, and then you collect your money. This is a very good business you can start with as low as 50,000 naira. That's number 5. Let's go to the last one. The last one is online thrift business. Online thrift business is another business that is booming in Nigeria. Starting an online thrift business is a good one. You can sell second-hand stuff, which is referred to as okrika. A lot of people know this in Nigeria as okrika. If you're watching this from outside Nigeria, in Nigeria we know it as okrika. I don't know what you call it in your location, but in Nigeria it's called okrika. That's second-hand clothing. So you can sell second-hand clothing and make money for yourself. Especially with the help of the internet right now, you can connect with a lot of people and collect these clothes, collect these materials for cheap price, and come to the internet, set up yourself on the internet and make money for yourself. You can actually set up your business even if you don't have a website. You can set up this business, upload it on places like Facebook Marketplace, on different selling platforms, and make your money. Right, there's a lot of money to be made with thrift business. Okay, so these are 6 profitable businesses you can start with 50,000 naira in Nigeria, and I believe you have learned something. If you've learned something, go to the comment section and say I have learned something. If you got value from this video, please like this video, please subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when I post another video, when I publish another video, you are definitely going to be notified that I have published a video. Now this is where I'm going to stop for this video. All right, thank you very much for sticking around to the end of this video. If you want to learn more about how to make money online, you want to learn more how to grow your business, and you want someone to coach you and teach you the exact step of how you can make money for yourself using your smartphone, using the internet, then go to the link in the description or check the pinned post. Okay, check the pinned post so that you can see the link to gain access to me I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.